So today's recipe is an all-base vegan taco bowl that is simply delicious. Has 6 basic ingredients. The first ingredient is a plant-based meat. We're using an Impossible Burger meat here for the saute. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and prepare your spaghetti squash. You want to either boil or steam this. Be mindful not to over steam it or boil it, and start your saute by adding your red onions, and go ahead and mix that up thoroughly, and then add your spices, first one being the cumin and the second one being your celery salt. And then you want to follow that up with your garlic salt. So this is about a teaspoon, but you can add a little bit more to taste depending on your flavor. And then go ahead and put in your favorite organic tomato sauce here, or pasta sauce. And then you're going to go ahead and prepare your spaghetti squash by scraping that out of the squash into a bowl, and go ahead and add your saute, and then follow that up with your organic plum tomatoes or grape tomatoes here. And then you're going to go ahead and plate that, add your favorite toppings. I used a basic cilantro with a little vegan cheese, and that is it. It is delicious. Enjoy.